Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a quick and easy coffee cozy. So in order to make this coffee cozy, I'm using a 4 mm hook and a blended acrylic yarn, and you can use any yarn that you want to. So let's get started. So I'm going to start doing a chain of 30. So here I have my chain 30. I'm going to slip stitch in the first chain. So in order to start the next row, I am going to do a chain 2, and I'll do a double crochet in each of the chains. Make sure your chain does not turn around. So you should have 30 double crochets. So I finished my first row. I will slip stitch in the second chain to finish this row. I'll do a chain 2 again to start the next row and do a double crochet in each of the stitches. I've completed my double crochets for row 2. I will now slip stitch in the chain, but other than slip stitching, what I'll do is I'll join a second color to this. So I've finished the second row. Now we need to slip stitch in order to complete this row, but here I will be joining a second color. So I'll insert my hook in the second chain, and this is the second color, or this is the second yarn. I'll wrap it, pull through both the loops, tighten it, so I've joined my second yarn here. Now what I will do is I will do a chain 3 2, 3. I will do a double crochet in the same space. So what we are going to do is we are going to do a V-stitch. Skip the next chain or the next chain stitch, wrap my yarn around, do a double crochet in the next one, chain 1, do a double crochet in the same space, skip the next stitch. This is the next stitch. Skip the next stitch, wrap my yarn around the stitch next to it, do a double crochet, chain 1, do a double crochet. Skip the next. In the next stitch, do a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So I'll continue this across till the end. So I have finished this row. I have the last stitch and I'm going to slip stitch in the second chain. So this is the first, this is the second, so do a slip stitch. But before we do a slip stitch, I'm going to join the green yarn again. I'm going to do chain 2 to start the next row. So this is counted as the first double crochet, and in each of the double crochets I will do a double crochet. I'll be skipping the center chains. So I'm at the end of this row. I will slip stitch in the second chain, chain 2, and do a double crochet in each of the stitches. So here I am at the end of the row. I will slip stitch in the second chain, and finish it off. So this is how my coffee cozy looks. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.